What's good with you? What's good with you, Pisces? What we doing? It's good to see y'all. It's good to see y'all. This is gonna be a three-card draw. I ain't gonna hold you long. Pause. And what else? What else? Cross watchers. You're welcome here. You know what I'm saying? I know how y'all do. Also, people who just want to know how the Pisces energy is being applied to your zodiac wheel or to your natal chart, you are welcome as well. This is a place that you can be. All right. If you need to get in contact with me, or you know someone who wants to get in contact with me because you like what I do, and how I do it here, that's cool. You can go to the description box and there will be a link to my website, which will allow you to navigate yourself to a simplified calendar where you can set up an appointment with me and we can either do a tarot read on you and or we can do an astrological reading where I could pick apart your natal chart. I think I'm going to add a feature where you can actually plug in your birth information. I'll think about it. I don't know. I just might do that. But yeah, pick apart your natal chart. Not the entire thing, so don't get crazy. Calm your tits. All right. With that being said, right, let's get these cards read. Bars. I'm going to cut the deck, and we're going to get to it. How y'all feel, though? Y'all feeling good? I hope y'all feeling good. Pause. But anyhow, this is the situation at the hand, or at hand, for the Pisces energy. We have the Seven of Wands. Why do you have to stand up for what you believe in, Pisces? Do people know that Pisces catchphrase is "I believe"? I don't think people know that. I don't think some people know that in this scenario, because why else would this pop up as the situation at hand, right? If you know, then you would know. Like, it's what you do, Pisces. Pisces energy is about belief. So even if you're not a Pisces and you're cross-watching, Pisces you want to call it a superpower, is believing in the imagination of what can be imagined. And this is what I'm getting that you have to actually protect here, that you have to stand up for and be defensive about, but also be determined as well. This is not about sitting back and I don't mean in a meditative way. Y'all know how to do that, I'm pretty sure. I'm talking about get back up, motherfucker, and get back to it. Like, I know you sit back to see, right? But once you see what you need to see, is saying like, yo, pop back out. But not in a way that says, yo, I seen that slick shit that you said, not like that. Yes, you got to take the high road. And you got to be assertive when doing so. The high road in this situation, what I'm feeling is just getting back to work. Yeah, you might have seen a few foul things. What you believe is what you believe. So if you are strong on belief, you should know that they have their beliefs too, right? Their belief about you, let it be their belief. Don't let their energy seep into yours. You know how sensitive the Piscean energy could be, but let me see how you feel about it, though. You understand? Let me see how you looking at it. Okay. I get the feeling that you feel like you're all alone in this, Pisces. There's a lack of balance, and this may have you vulnerable right now. You may feel like having a partner right now could really do some justice. You may feel that way only because you're questioning the scenario of how you have to stand in what you believe in, and it kind of puts you as you against the world. Not the world against you, but you against the world, because it's like you got the vision, right? You got the belief system. This is what you believe. It is what it is. So you're like, man, although it would be nice, must be nice. Life Jennings, right? To have someone else to be side by side with you, you're like, wait a minute. I don't know. Because it has to be balanced out in a correct way. And I mean that way financially. And it could just be more about organizing, right? You could create a space to where things could enhance financially for a significant other, a lover. It don't have to be a lover or a partner in some type of way, right? You can do that and enable a process to where money, finances can be generated, but it has to at least be organized so that when the money comes in, you can do the dishing out. You understand what I'm saying? If not, there's going to be poor financial decisions made in that area to where you're like, you know what, fuck it, man. I'm gonna just do this shit myself until the bag is hefty enough and until I can actually make that conscious decision to say, okay, for this thing to expand, because I see Jupiter here and I see Capricorn here, so this is relative to business. When I see that this thing can expand in that type of way, I'll have the bag to do it. I'll make the offer. I'll do what needs to be done when the time comes. Pause. Now let me see the factor to consider regarding this situation, Pisces and Pisces watchers. The Page of Wands. And that's my voice when I draw royal cards. Sometimes. But it's good news. You're going to be enthused. Bars, I'm nice. Stop playing with me, please. Just don't, when it comes to the bars, all right? But this is still business related. Okay? I'm getting acting. Inspirational speaker, maybe. A performer of some sort. Because you took this approach to partnering and things relative to business. I'm also getting that these kind of character traits are what's going to make sure that these decisions get made and that they are at least accessible, is to be optimistic. You have to practice some Sagittarius type energy here. Even if you wake up on the wrong side of the motherfucking bed, you got to be like, you know what? I'm doing this shit today. I'm gonna get on some Joker shit because the fuck I'm gonna be sad about. This shit gotta happen. You got a belief system, right? You believe in some shit, right? You believe some shit is gonna happen, right? As a matter of fact, you believe it happened already. You're just walking into the door, right? All right then. Be happy about that shit. Every fucking day, every minute, every second. You feel the shit that I'm talking about right now, right? You know exactly, you see the smile on my face right now? You know exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. That's why. Stop all of the doubt. I don't know. Fuck that shit, B. You're going to get some good news, yo. I'm telling you. You're going to get some good news. And there's emphasis on acting. I'm just keeping it a beam. And with that being said, until next time, believe in your dream. Bars.